Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh everyone. I hope everyone is doing good today. Today we are going to talk about melting point of solids. But first, let's see what is melting. Melting is a process in which a substance changes its state from the solid state to the liquid state. When the solids are heated, their particles gain enough heat energy and start to move more rapidly and pull further apart. Eventually, they escape from the solid state and change into a liquid state. So, the temperature at which solid melts is called its melting point. The melting point varies for different solids. For example, the melting point of ice is 0 degrees Celsius. That means ice will start melting once it reaches its melting point. And when ice reaches its melting point, it turns into water completely. That's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed learning about the melting point. Jazakallah khair.